Okay, guys, so as promised, here is part 2 of my penny haul. I didn't want to make one long video where it was like 30 minutes long, so I broke it up into 2 parts. So here are new penny items for you to look for. Here is the Natural Easy C Immune Health, 500 milligrams, 30 tablets. Now, with these expire March 31st, 2024 at the end of this month. But again, that doesn't mean that they're not good. That's just when they have to be off the shelf, okay? And let me give you the UPC. Alrighty, and I was surprised that I found these. I'm just surprised I found a lot of stuff, but I found these Believe eyelashes. Here's the UPC. And it even has the lash glue. See, one set of lashes and lash glue. You know, I'm putting these definitely in like a beauty basket. Then I found this Got to Be Self-Ready with Metallics Hair Dye Permanent Color. Here's the UPC for that. I found Maybelline UPC for that. So like that'll go in with my lash basket. Also, here's the Trial Size Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Conditioner. I only found the conditioner. And you might say, well, why you get that? You don't have a shampoo. Because it was a penny. And I can do something with this. Here's the UPC. This I thought was cute, guys. It's a collectible figure, series 6, and it's Kitty in My Pocket. Just something cute you could put in an Easter basket, save it for a stocking stuffer for a kid or whatever. But it's a collectible figurine. You know, little girls like to throw this in, things like this in their little purses and all kind of things. Here, remember when these penny guys alleviate headache pain, 24 count. Where is the UPC? There's a UPC. I had got a bunch of these when they were like, I think they were like 75% off, and then an extra 50% off at one of the clearance events, and then I had a coupon. So I got a bunch of those really cheap, but I was happy to find another one for a penny. And remember these guys, the Aussie conditioner and shampoos. This is I don't know if this is the conditioner or the shampoo. Okay, this is the deep conditioner. Okay. Here is the UPC. I thought this was cute too. It is the Disney Princess collectible pack. It includes one collectible character. It's a grab and go pack. It's one set. And you get so much stuff in here. Look, you get a surprise foam character, 2 sticker sheets, a velvet poster, a stencil, 8 crayons, and a 32-page full-size coloring book. This is a great stocking stuffer, guys, or something to put in the Easter basket. Again, this was a penny, 1 penny. Here's the UPC for this. So basically, you know, like I tell you guys all the time, you can like basically Christmas shop for pennies. Here's a book, The Aristocrat. So a lot of the Disney books are a penny, and I'm going to show you a couple of them. And then here's a Disney Princess Christmas book. UPC. And then here's the Three Little Pigs. And then there's the UPC for that. And then I found a bunch of makeup, guys. A bunch of nail polish. So I'm going to show you that. These were basically all Believe nail polish, just different colors. So I'll show you all the UPCs. Because I know they still sell Believe nail polish. But maybe, you know, only certain ones pennied. And here's another one. This shade is like a mother of pearl or something. And again, great stocking stuffers, great for Easter baskets. You know, this is also something like the makeup and things you can donate to like a women's shelter. Like how many of those women, you know, actually like get a chance to like paint their nails and like pamper themselves? Because a lot of them, they don't have the money to do it. So you know what, you can help them out and do it. So I thought these were the same, guys, but they're not. They're different UPCs. So that's why I'm going to show you. But if you look on the camera, they look like they're the same color, but they're not. Come on. See that UPC ends in a 0. And this one ends in a 6. So that's 2 different ones. Come on, I don't know why this does that. See that? Okay. And then here's another shade. This is more like a taupe or like natural color. That. And then here's another LA. This is a LA Colors nail polish. Oh, upside down. Okay. And then here is a lip gloss. Here's a UPC. Here is a Maybelline satin lipstick. And here's the UPC for that. Here is a Wet n Wild concealer corrector. Here's a UPC for that. And last but not least, this is a Black Radiance lipstick. This is actually melted. I'm going to throw this away. I didn't realize it, but at least I'm going to show it to you. So if you see them in the store, you can get them. But I can't get my camera to focus to show you guys. There you go. There we go. The UPC. So guys, this is my penny haul. I hope you guys are able to find some things. I hope this helped you guys. Let me know if you find anything. And until the next time, keep on saving.